Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 318 BMW 67 reg touring, front parking sensors, alloy wheels, privacy glass in a nice metallic black, rear parking sensors, rear camera, very clean car, one owner with full service history, front parking sensors, and an opening panoramic roof. Leather heated seats, side airbags, instruction manuals in here, heated seats as you can see. Isofix rear seats, with this you have the tailgate, but you can actually open this if you want to load stuff into the boot. So you can open this separately to the tailgate. Large luggage compartment area. Nice storage area there. Luggage compartment cover has this grille if you have a dog here to shut the tailgate. Push this, tailgate shuts, electronically opening and closing. Electric rear windows as well. Electric folding mirrors, electric windows, height adjustable driver seat, electronic lumbar support, automatic lights. This is the key. To start the vehicle you put it on the brake, push this button here, starts the vehicle. Opening roof, there's a wind deflector here. You can tilt the roof as well, so you get a little air gap here, and you can shut this blind if you wish. The vehicle's done 39,030 miles. Heated seats, both sides. Dual climate control. Pocket here with drinks, holders, power outlet here as well. Extra. Automatic, obviously, different modes in your gearbox, Sport and Eco Pro. That is not flashing, it's the camera makes it look like it's flashing. You have a pocket here with a USB, a phone holder if you want to leave your phone in there basically. This is you use this button here to scroll across these. Navigation there, map, shows the map there. If you put it into reverse, you've got a rear reversing camera. It's got the lines at the front and rear so you can see visually as well as this. If that is not flickering, it's the camera makes this look like it flickers, which it is not flickering. Illuminated vanity mirrors. Both sides. cruise control, speed limiter, multi-function steering wheel, automatic wipers as well. There you can see, height adjustable steering column. This is your radio, CD player here. CD player and radio. That's your radio, turn your radio on there.
Beautiful rendition. So behind the scenes.
To turn the vehicle off, you push this button here. Turn the vehicle off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.